Hello, I'm in a 2007 Subaru Outback, and today I'm going to show you how to jump start your vehicle. So first you open the hood, and then towards the driver's side you should find your battery here with your positive terminal and your negative terminal. And you can always double check on the battery as well. There's usually a plus sign by the positive and a minus sign by the negative terminal. Then next I would check for any corrosion built up, which you can clean off with a good brush or rag. And after that I'd make sure these are tight, which if they're loose you can tighten them with these. And then from there, with your jump box or with your jumper cables, you'll have your two clamps. So then you'll take your positive metal clamp and connect it to as much metal here as you can, and your negative clamp to as much metal here as you can. And if you're using jumper cables leading to another vehicle, make sure that the vehicle's on with the motor on, and you've got your positive leading directly to the positive on the other vehicle, and a negative directly to the negative on the other vehicle. You're going to make sure you don't cross these by mistake, because that could cause significant damage to your computer systems, electronics, things like that. But all that said, once you've had good metal connection here and they've been running to the other vehicle or jump box for a few minutes, hopefully that's gotten you enough juice to get this started. If you've been trying that for quite a while without any success, you might need to replace this battery, which you can do just by loosening these terminals to lift them off. And then you should then be able to lift this old battery out, stick your new battery right in place, and then just retighten everything nice and tight, and you should be good to go. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.